Abuti, say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
What are we learning today?
Ndiyakwazi ukuhamba.
Oh, we're going to learn how to say I can do something in isiXhosa. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
It's very easy. You just take the verbs like ukuhamba, ukubaleka, ukulala, and add Ndiyakwazi in front of them.
Molo, Abuti.
Molo sisi.
Ndiyakwazi ukuxhuma.
Ndiyakwazi ukucula. La 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 la.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. The verb ukukwazi means to know. So when we say Ndiyakwazi, we're actually saying I know how to do something. But we can also use this to say I can do something. So Ndiyakwazi ukuhamba means I know how to walk or I can walk. Now let's see how all our friends use this sentence.
Molo, ndiyakwazi ukudanisa. Ndiyakwazi ukulala.
Ndiyakwazi ukuhamba.
Ndiyakwazi ukubaleka.
Ndiyakwazi ukulala.
Ndiyakwazi ukuyima.
And now you know how to say I can do something in isiXhosa. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.